Presenting the Cable World mid-sized foosball mini football table soccer game. It's ideal for kids 8 years and above. This game has 4 rows with 360-degree rotating soccer players. Each row has 3 players each. The game is 53 by 31 by 7 centimeters in size and it weighs 2.62 kgs. It's multicolored with different colors for each team. 2 to 4 players can play this game. This game is easy to assemble with score markers for each goal and different colored teams. It's suitable for indoor and outdoor play and doesn't occupy much space. To assemble, join the 3 sides first, slot in the base, install the rods and fit the 4th side in. Use 8 big screws to fix the entire set. The small 4 screws are to fix the handles. It's made of plywood and plastic. The rods are made of steel. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to the product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.